So a lot of people think that foundation repair is very simple and very much something that you can do DIY. The big question you're probably asking yourself right now is, can I do foundation repair DIY? Can I just do it myself without having a professional look at my house and save a ton of money? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair. I've gotten this question here recently, and over my couple of years of doing this here, I have actually firsthand witnessed what a DIY repair can look like and know that it is very difficult to do DIY foundation repairs. So to answer your question, for slab on grade homes, it is 100% a do not do DIY foundation repair. It is very difficult to do and execute without having the proper tools and experience of how to lift, raise, and stabilize a home just doing a DIY. You might be able to accomplish something, but you're 100% most likely not going to be doing it the right way to have a good effect on your home's foundation. Well, if you can't do it DIY, what should you do from here? What's next? The next best thing that you can do if you live here in our service area here around the Central Texas, Bryan College Station area, you're always free to give us a call or go online and get in contact with us. If you don't live in our area, we're also going to put a link down in the description below to the complete guide to foundation repair. Yes, it is more geared to people that we would typically service here in our area, but it has a plethora of resources in there that are helpful to any homeowner, no matter where they are located.